we're going on the range video now. We're in shoot.
Come check out the little fat guy down here. Get him out of his recliner.
But look, we'll be sitting over there by the stands, way up over there. There's the stands, that's where we're going to be sitting.
This used to be a car right here.
Was it a car?
I don't know.
I don't know. It's still smoldering.
You can have a nice little barbecue right there.
Yeah, I tell you. Don't step on it. Over here, we have definitely used water heaters. These are very energy efficient. They may leak a little, but now very important over here is what they tell you: don't touch anything because it's still hot.
But also there's a lot of sharp edges on there.
Sharp edges.
Now here's your washing machine.
Oh,
I don't think it's gonna work though.
Where's the Maytag man? We need him here for his washing machine. Woo! Now we got security over here. Well, as of now, this is as far as we can go because they got security. Because the stuff they shot is still burning. It's hot. If you look, you got a car out there. Got a couple of cars. How far do you think those guys are?
150 yards.
200. I don't know what that was. Way out there.
Imagine trying to walk up that hill in all that mud.
And then someone shooting at you with a machine gun. One nice thing about being out here this time of year, it's not too hot, it's not too cold. I think if this is July or August, it would really be a burner. But now it's 70 degrees out, so it's like perfect weather. I'm here to give you a special deal on my old washing machine. Here it is right here. The dryer doesn't come with it, but I can give you a good deal. I'll give it to you at junk price. $5, that's right, $5 cash and carry. And for an extra $10, you would get my old water heater. Here it is right here. Slightly used. Maybe it blew up in the middle of the night, but hey, that's my deal. Act now and I'll throw in some fresh mud over here. Yeah, I understand, yeah, it's leaking a little, but it's still good. If you just plug it with a little mud, you'll be all set. Here they come now. They're flying them in at this deal.
Are you fine?
On the show, yeah.
Make a sound.
Okay, we're here on the range. It's shut down right now, but the public is allowed to get on. Here it is, all the machine guns you have up over here. They should be shooting them in about another hour or so, but right now they're just taking it easy. They're letting them cool down. These are all privately owned by individuals. This is the shooting point, and to my left over here is the rest of the range where it shoots. If you see way down that way, it's open to the public right now.
But you don't want to be down there when they're shooting.
You don't want to be down there when they're shooting, that's for sure.
You might have a very bad day.
Yeah, but
So you see all the way down the line there.
all the way down the line, machine guns as far as the eye could see.
Probably about 100 machine guns.
Yeah, at least 100 machine guns.
But more back in this little area right here.
Guys, we got everything up over here.
see the ammo laid out in a little.
Yeah, we got
table
all,
right
all
there.
that brass. Must be a couple $1,000s in brass over there. Well, this whole show, only one time that the public is allowed to go on the range. And
No,
that's
they'll do
today.
it tomorrow too.
Maybe tomorrow too. Everything out there is hot and still smoldering.
So you got a couple of miniguns right there.
You guys.
That looks like an M60 right next
Yeah, M60 we got. My goodness. We got one guy sleeping over there.
to it. He had a very long day.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I look so tired now.
Look, he's even got his own rocker chair.
Now maybe we're gonna move around down the line over here, look at some more machine. Now what's this over here? I think that's
What?
this one machine gun. That's air cooler.
Oh, that's water cooled.
Water cooled. Yeah. Now we got helicopters coming over. Helicopter rides.